Nice. Oh yeah. You ain't playing around. Nice. Look at that blue sky. Nice. You're the man. Looking good, man. Nice job. Nice job. That's got some big tires. All right, go for it. Mr. Don from Don's RC, man, doing some bush flying today. In the wind. Nice. Here we go. Don's gonna come in for a landing. Bush pilot.
You can hit that tree, see it?
Oh yeah, the gusts.
We got you.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look. Oh yeah, Bushman. Oh, beautiful. Man, won't be long. You'll have all new driveway. Oh, there's trouble. There's the other half of the family come out this morning. Good job, Don. Awesome. Here we go. Don's coming in for another bush landing. Oh, gonna go around, I think. No, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Oh, nice job. Nice job. Those wheels make a big difference. Now you're gonna take off, right? I'm ready. Now. Ooh, baby. Coming on.
3-pointer.
Nice job, Don.
See that wing kick over? Time expired, Dave.
Awesome. You can hear it, huh? Great. Man, just think when you get your new drive how nice it's going to be.